Guys, I am going to how to make a video, and first we have to go to iMovie. This is how I make all my video clips. Have not. So first you'll end up with start new project. You want to go, there's movie, magic movie, or storyboard. I always press storyboard, and then you get all of these. And I always press gaming, cooking. If it's live, it's cooking. But if you're gonna do gaming, you can press it, and you will get this.
Let's go!
I don't know why, but it's like that. I'm going to do this. So let's go here. You can change your. And this is actually my real video. I'm doing this video right now. I just made a video that's 15 minutes long. And I put grunge, but I can change this to white. I'm going to do white. And then I can do, so there's these, you can change them. I do the normal pink, so it can have color, but from nowadays it just glitches, and this is what happens. Like, I like grunge, it's a new one. So if we go here, look, mine is gonna end up like this. And you can delete any part, press edit clip. You'll end up with all of these. This is the end part, and you'll just go, and then it'll close up. And mine is 15 minutes long. Right now it's 40 seconds. So I am going to delete. You can keep this if you want. And then up at the top you can see, and you can just watch your video again. So we can delete this, and I just delete it. You guys, you don't need to delete it, and this is your start. And so you can go A text. If you go to AA right here, and it says bottom at text, you can press it where the blue is, and then you can delete that. And then I'm gonna put, I always put like and subscribe. You can do any text you want. I'm just typing my, guys, you don't need to type what I'm typing. Type anything you want. And I'm just typing because this is my real video. I'm doing a video while making a video. Sorry. And you can see up in the left corner I'm making a video. So hope you. Okay, there you go. Done. Hope you enjoy. Okay. Then you can go here. You can just put some other stuff here, and then put your video, or just put your video right away. So hope, like and subscribe. Hope you enjoy, and then I can make this as long as I did not mean to do that. Come on. I think that's enough. I don't even care. Then I can do add here. Choose from library or take a photo. You can press delete, voiceover, music. I don't care. Guys, I'm not gonna boss you around, but you do whatever you want. You can go here. These are all my videos. This is where I escape from the evil stepmother. This one right here, this escaping from evil stepmother. That's the first one. But this is the upgraded feature right here. This is escape from evil stepmother. That's the upgraded feature. And then I can show you, I don't know where's the final. Yeah, there's the final. This is the final. This was the final thing. This is what we got. That's what we have right now. So we can go up here, and we can press this one. I'm pressing this one. And it's 15 minutes long, you can see. Oh, no, it's 16. But don't worry. I can just skip all the way over here. You can do some cutting. right here. Boom. And you can just cut neighbor wins. So you can just cut a little. I did not even notice the time. I can just cut here. And you can just see this. If you delete, you can delete. So you'll see this line right here and this line. See? And then you can press the delete button. Edit clip, delete clip, or delete meta. The meta part means you like delete the video part. I'm gonna do delete meta. I'm gonna do something new this time. So let's just 4 seconds. I'm gonna put delete meta. I'm gonna put something new here, guys, for you. So like it's gonna be a couple of minutes. And then we can go here, and you can if you don't want them seeing this part right here, you can just delete it like that. Then delete it. If you don't want them, then you can put stuff right here. So you can I usually delete this part, but I said something for nothing. And then I'm gonna go here, add, choose video from library. You can see all of these. Subscribe. I delete this part too, don't worry. And then, so can we put something here? Let's share. Let's see what's here. Yeah. So, yeah, I'm gonna put something here. Subscribe. And I'm just gonna delete this clip too. And guys, they put something here. This is what I always put. This. Bye bye. And guys, that's the end of the video. My video was 15:32 seconds long. That's pretty good. And I'm gonna do some more editing here. And guys, I hope you enjoyed. Bye.